Chapter 10, Biotechnology and its Application. Biotechnology, as you would have learned from the previous chapter, essentially deal with the industrial scale production of biopharmaceutical and biological using genetically modified microbes, fungi, plant and animals. The application of biotechnology include the therapist and diagnostic genetically modified crop for agriculture, processed food, bio remediations, waste treatment and energy production. Three critical research area biotechnology. First, providing the best catalytic in the form of the improved organism, usually microbes or pure enzyme. Second, creating optimal condition throughout the engineering for a catalytic to act. And third, downstream processing technology to purify the protein's organic compound. Let us now learn how human beings have used biotechnology in the improve the quality of human life, especially in the field of food production and health. Biotechnological application in the agriculture. Let us take look the three options that can be throughout the for increasing food production. First, agrochemical based agriculture. Second, organic agriculture. And third, genetically engineered crop based agriculture. The Green Revolution succeeded in the tripling of the food supply, but yet it was not ego to feed the growing human population increases held have partly been due to the use of improved crop varieties, but mainly due to the use of better management of practice and use of the agrochemicals, fertilizer and pesticides. However, the for farmers in the developing world, agrochemical are often too expensive and further increases yield in the existing varieties are not possible using the conventional breeding. A traditional breeding techniques failed to keep pace with demand and to provide sufficiently fats and efficient system of crop improvement. Another technology called tissue culture got developed. What go tissue culture means it is was learned a scientist during 1950 that whole plant could be generated from explant any parts of the plant taken out grown test tube under the sterile condition in the special nutrients media. This capacity to generate whole plant from any explant is called totipotency. You will learn how to accomplish this is in higher classes. It is important to stress here that the nutrients media must provide a carbon source such as source and also inorganic salt, vitamins, amino acid and growth regulators like auxins, cytokinin act. By the application of this method, it is the possible to achieve propagation of large number of plants in very short duration. This is method of producing thousands of plants throughout the tissue culture called micro propagation is the each of these plant will genetically identical to original plant from which they were grown. They are somoclones. Many important food plant like tomato, banana, apple act have been produced commercial scale using the method. Try to visit a tissue culture laboratory with your teachers to better understand and appreciate the process. Another important application of the method is recovery of healthy plant from diseased plant even if the plant is infected with the virus, meristems, apical and axillary is free of virus. Hence, one of the can remove the meristem and grow in tissue vitro to obtain virus-free plants. Scientists have succeeded in the culturing meristem of bananas and sugar canes and potato. Scientists have even isolated single cell from plant and after designing their cell wall have been able to isolate naked protoplast surrounded by the plasma membrane, isolated protoplast from two different varieties of plant, each having desirable characters, can be fused to get hybrid protoplast, which can be further grown to from a new plant. These hybrid are called somatic hybridization, while the process is called somatic hybridization. Imagine the situation when a protoplast of tomato is fused with a potato, and then they are grown to from the new hybrid plant, combining tomato and potato characteristics. Well, this has been achieved, resulting in the formation of tomato. Unfortunately, this is plant did not have all these desirable combination of characteristics for its commercial utilizations. Is there any alternation path that our understanding of genetic can be show that farmers may obtain maximum yield from their field? It is there a way to minimize the use of fertilizers and chemicals so that their harmful effect on the environment are reduced. Use of genetically modified crop is possible a solution. Plants, bacteria, fungi, and animals whose genes have been altered by the manipulations are called genetically modified organisms (GMO). GM plants have been useful in many ways. Genetically modification has first made crop more tolerant to abiotic stress, cool, drop, salt, and heat. Second, reduce reliance on chemical pesticide pest resistant crop. Third, helped to reduce post harvest loss. Fourth, increases efficiency of mineral uses by plant. This is prevent early exhaustion of fertility of soil. Fifth, enhance of nutritional value of food. Example, golden rice, vitamin A, enriched rice. In addition to this use, GM has been used to create a tailors-made plant to supply alternative resource to industries in the form of starches, fuels, and pharmaceuticals. Some of the application of biotechnology in agriculture that you will study in the details are the production of pest resistant plants which could decrease the amount of pesticide used. Bt cotton, it's produced by the bacterium called Bacillus thuringiensis bt for short. Bt toxin genes has the been cloned from the bacteria has been expressed in the plant to provide the resistance to increase insect which without the need for the insecticides, in effect created a biopesticides. Example, bt cotton and bt corn, rice, tomato and potato, soybean eggs. Bt cotton, some strain of bacillus thuringiensis produce a protein that kills certain insects such as lepidopterans, tobacco boardworms, armworms, coleopterans, beetles, and diphterans. Mosquito, Bacillus thuringiensis forms protein crystals during the particular phase of their growth. This is the crystal contain toxic insecticide protein. Why does this is toxin not kill the bacillus? Actually, the Bt toxin protein exhibit insective protoxins, but once an insect the inactive toxins, it is the convert into the unactive form of the toxin due to the alkaline pH of gut which is soluble the crystals. The activated toxin bind to surface of mid gut of epithelium cell, uh, create create a pores that cause fails any lysis and eventually cause death of insect. Specific Bt toxin genes were isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis and incorporated into the several crop of plants such as cotton. The choice of genes depends upon the crop and target pest. As most Bt toxins are insect group specific, the toxins is coded by the genes CRY-AC cry. There are number of them. For example, proteins encoded by the genes CRY-IAC and CRY-2AB control the cotton bollworms. That CRY-IAB control the corn borers. Pest resistant plants. Several nematodes parasite a wide variety of plants and animals, including human being or nematode. Melanogynin incobia infected the root tobacco plant and caused the great reduction in yield. A novel strategy was adopted to prevent his infections, which is the was based on the process of RNA interference. RNA take place all eukaryotic organism as well. Method cellular defense. This is method involving the silencing of the specific mRNA due to the complementary DNA molecule that bind to the prevent transformation of mRNA silencing. This source of the complementary RNA could from the infections by virus having RNA genome or mobile genetic elements transpons that replicate and via RNA intermediate. Using agrobacterium vectors, nematode specific genes were introduced into the host plant, and this introduction of DNA was such as that production of both sense and antisense RNA in the host cell. This is two RNA being complementary to each other from a double standard RNA that united RNA and those silencing the specific mRNA of nematodes. The consequence was that parasite could not survive in the transgenic host expressing a specific interfering RNA. The transgenic plants therefore got itself protected from the parasite. Biotechnological application in medicine. The recombinant DNA technology process have made immense impact in the area of health care by the enabling mass production of safe and more effective therapeutic drug. Further, recombinant therapies do not induce unwanted immunological response as in common in case of similar product isolated from non-human source. At present, about the 30 recommended therapies have been approved for human use world over. India's 12 of these presently being marketed. Genetically engineered insulin. Management of the adult honest diabetic is possible by the taking insulin at the regular time interval. What would be the diabetic patient do if the ego human insulin was not available? If you discuss this is you will soon realizing that one of the will have to isolate it and use of insulin from other animals. Will the insulin isolated from other animal be just as effective as that secreted by the human body itself? And the wool it is not the elected and immune response is the human body. Now imaging of bacterium were available that could be make of human insulin. Suddenly whole process become the so simply you can easily grow a large quantity of bacteria make such as insulin as unit. Think about whether insulin can be the early administered to diabetic peoples or not. Why? Insulin used or diabetic was earlier extracted from the pancreas of the surrogate cattle and pig. Insulin from the animal source throughout the cause of the some of the patient develop allergy or other type of reactions of foragenes to the foragenes proteins. Insulin consists of two short polypeptide chain A and chain B that linked together disulfide bridge. In mammals, including human, insulin is the synthesis of prohormones like proenzyme. The prohormones also need to process before it is become a fully mature a functional hormones which is contain an extra stress extra trace called the C peptide. C peptide is not present in the mature insulin and removed during the maturation into the insulin. The main challenge to production of insulin using the rDNA technology was the getting insulin assembled into the mature form. In 1983, Eli Lilly American company prepared two DNA sequence corresponding A and B chain of human insulin introduced in the plasmid E coil to produce insulin chain. Chain A and B were produced separately, extracted combination by the creating disulfide bond to forms human insulin. Gene therapy. If the person born with the hereditary disease can be corrective therapy be taken for such a disease. Gene therapy is attempt to do this. Gene therapy is collection of method allow the correction of genes defect has been diagnosis in the child embryo. Here genes are inserted into the person cells and tissue. Treat disease correction of genetic defect involving delivery of normal genes into individual's embryo to take over function and components for the non-functional genes. The first clinical gene therapy was given 1992 4 years old girls with the adenosine deamine ADA deficiency. This is enzyme is critical for immune system to function. The disorder is caused due to the deletion and alteration of the genes for adenosine deamine. In some children's ADA deficiency can cause cured by bone marrow transplantations. In other, it can be treated by enzyme replacement therapy, in which function ADA is given to the patient by injection. But the problem with both this approach that they are not complementary curative. As first step toward the gene therapy, lymphocytes from the blood of the patient are grown in the culture outside of the body. Functional ADA cDNA using the retrovirus vectors is then introduced into the lymphocyte, which is are subsequently returned to the patient. However, the cell not immortals. The patient require the periodic infusion of such a genetically engineered lymphocyte. However, if the genes isolated from the marrow cell producing ADA is introduced into the cell early embryonic stage, it is could be the permanent cure. Molecular diagnosis. You know that effective treatment of disease, early diagnosis and understanding it pathophysiological is very important using the conventional method diagnosis. Serum and urine analysis act early early di- early detection is not possible. Recombinant DNA technology, polymerase chain reaction, PCR, and enzyme linkage, immunosorbent easy, ELISA are some of the techniques that serves purpose of early diagnosis. Presence of pathogen bacteria virus is normally suspected only in the pathogen has produced a disease symptom. By this time, the concentration of pathogen is already very high in the body. However, very low concentration of bacteria, virus, and at a time symptoms of disease are not yet visible. Can be detected by amplification further nucleic acid PCR. Can you explain how PCR can detect a very low amount of DNA? PCR is now nutritionally used by the detect HIV suspected ADUS patient. It being used to detect a mutation in genes in suspected cancer patient. It is a powerful technique to identify many other genetic disorders. A single standard DNA or RNA tagged with the radioactive molecules probes is allowed to hybrid to it is complementary DNA in a clones of cells followed by the detection using the autoradiography. The clone having a muted genes will hence not appear on the photography film because the probe will not have a complementary with the muted genes. ELISA is based on the principle of antigens antibody in the insertion of infection by the pathogens can be detected by the presence of antigens proteins glycoproteins act or detecting by antibiotics antibodies synthesized against the pathogens. Transgenic animals animals that have had their DNA manipulated to process and express an extra foreign genes are known as the transgenic animals. The transgenic rabbit, pig, sheep, cow, fish have been produced the all over the 95% of the all existing transgenic animal are mice. Why are these are the animal being produced? How can man benefit from such as modification? Let us try and explore some of the common reasons. First, normal physiological and development. Transgenic animal can be specifically designed to allow study of how genes are the regulated and how they affect normal function of the body and it is development example study of complex factor involved in the growth such as insulin like growth factor by introducing genes for other phases that are alter the formation of this factor and studying the biological effect that result information is obtained about the biological role of the factor in the body. Study of disease. Many transgenic animals are designed to increase our understanding of how genes contribute to the development of disease. These are the specially made to serve as models for human disease so that investigations of new treatments for disease is made possible. Today, transgenic model exists for many human diseases such as cancer, cystic fiber, rheumatic arthritis, and Alzheimer disease. Biological products. Medicine required to treat certain human disease can be contain biological product, but such as product are often expensive to make. A transgenic animal that produce useful biological product can be created by introducing of the portions of DNA or genes which is code for the particular product such as the human protein alpha one antitrypsin used by the treatment of emphysema similar to attempt being made of the treatment of phenylketonuria PKU and cytic fiber. In 1997, the first transgenic cow, Rosie, produced the human protein enriched milk 2 4 grams per liter. The milk contained the human alpha lactolubins and what nutritionally and more balanced product for human babies. Natural cow milk. Vaccine safety. Transgenic mice being developed for use in the testing of safety vaccines for before the use of humans. Transgenic mice are beginning use a test of safety vaccine of polio vaccines. If successful and found to be realizable, they will replace the use of monkey to test safety of Bethesda vaccine. Chemical and safety testing. This is known as toxicity and safety testing. The producer is the same that used for the testing toxin. City of drug transgenic animal are made that carry genes which make when more sensitive to toxin substance than non-transgenic animal. They are exposed to toxin substance and the effect study toxicity transgenic testing in such as animal allow to obtain result in less time. Ethical issue. Manipulation of living organism by the human race cannot go any further without regulation. Some of the ethical standards are required to the evaluated mortality of all human activities that might help or harm a living organism. Going behind the mortality of such as issues of the biological scientification of such as thing is also important. Genetic modification of organism can have unprotectable result when such as organism are introduced into the ecosystem. Therefore, Indian government has set up organization such as GAC, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, which will make a detection regarding the validity of GM research and safety of introducing GM organism for public service. The modification uses of living organism for public service as food and medicine source, for example, has also created problems with patents granted for same. There is a growing public anger that certain companies are being granted patents for product and technologies that make use of the genetic material, plants, and other biological resources that have long been identified, developed, and used by the farmers and Indian India genomes peoples of a Pacific region's country. Rice is an important food grain, presence of which is goes back thousands of years. Asia agriculture history. There are estimated 20,000 20 lakhs of variety of rice in Indian alone. In India alone, diversity 20 lakhs of variety of rice in India alone. The diversity of rice India is the one of the richest in the world. Basmati rice is the distinct for it is unique aroma, flora. 27 documentation varieties of basmati are grown in India. There is a reference of basmati ancient text flora and the poetries. A city has been grown for centuries. 1997, an American company got a patented rights on the basmati rice throughout the US Patent and Trademarks Office. This is allowed the company to sell new variety of basmati in US or abroad. This is new variety of basmati had actually been derived from Indian farmers variety. India basmati was crossed with the semi-draft varieties and claimed inventions or novelty. Patented extent of functional equivalent implying that other people selling basmati rice could be the restricted by the patent, and several attempts have also been made to the paint use product and process based on the Indian traditional herbal medicine, turmeric, neem. If we are not willing, we do not immediately counters the paint application. Other countries individual may ins on yours. Rich legally and we may not be able to do anything about it. Biopiracy is the term of user to refer to the use of bioresource by the multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from the countries and people concerned, without compensatory payments. Most of the industrialized nations are rich financially but poor in the biodiversity. Traditional knowledge in constant the developing and underdeveloped world is a rich biodiversity and traditional knowledge related to bioresearch. Traditional knowledge related to the bioresearch can be exploited to develop modern application and can also be used to save time, effort, and expenditure during their commercialization. There has been growing the relations of the injustice inadequate companionization has the benefit sharing between developed and developing the country. Therefore some of the nations are developing law paint such unauthorized exploitations of their bioresources and traditional knowledge. The Indian Parliament has recently cleared the second attempt of Indian's patent bill that takes such as issue into the considerations, including patent term, emergency provisions, and research and development invitation. Invitative.